It's taken me way too long to make this video. It's not a toy, it's a NVRLand car. So I happened to get the 2024 Mustang Dark Horse. I got it from, I believe it's pronounced NVRLand. I got it from them at the Diecast Expo that GreenLight did. So it does come with a certificate of authenticity. It does have a QR code, which I'm not gonna reveal because apparently it's verified and numbered to you, and I don't know if someone else could claim this, so I'd rather not have someone else claim this, but it does have a QR code that you can scan to make it yours. So I got the Dark Horse, and I actually had the guys that were there at the booth autograph it for me, because this is a really cool release. So this is the GreenLight Walterson's Collectors Expo 2025 edition, Sweet 16. So 192 pieces. So this is one of 192. And I can open this. So the plastic clamshell comes off, and now I've got an even smaller display case for it. That's cool. I think I'll probably keep it in the plastic clamshell to display because I'm kind of clumsy sometimes and I might drop it and I don't want to break it. So this should be able to open. Yeah, so there's these two little twisty thingies, and then it hinges open. And this guy just slides on out. Oh, sorry. To show off all the detail of the new GreenLights. It's even got red calipers. Hopefully you can see that. If not, it's hard to tell because these wheels are pretty thick, but it does have red calipers and the silver rotors. Very, very well detailed. And it's got the NVRLand theming or striping on the top. So is this held together by screws? It is. Though I'm not going to take this one apart because there's no painted pieces on the interior that I can see, so I don't see a reason to open or try and take it apart. Does the hood open? Oh, it does. Oh wow. Well, that's actually really well detailed. Zoom in, enhance. Wow. That is the most detailed engine bay I've ever seen on a GreenLight car. Holy smokes. Good job, GreenLight team. That's awesome. Can I leave this hood propped? I can. I'm gonna leave the hood propped for the way I display this. That's wicked cool. Man, there's a lot of detail in there. They should have had a way to prop the hood for display just normally. That is awesome. Okay, well, that's cool. Well, I can't talk today. It's a Friday, forgive me. Well done, good job, GreenLight and NVRLand. I'm bringing this to fruition. This is awesome. I'm very happy with this. So, anyways, guys, let me know if you're able to pick up one of the NVRLand cars. I do see that they've got some on eBay as of today, which is the 14th of November 2025. I don't know if they're going to put any more up or if this is the last ones they've got. If I had to guess, there's probably not many left, just because when I was at the show, they, I think, had most of their stock there, and they were selling out really fast. I happened to have them hold one for me so I could pick one up. Because at the expo, I was kind of running around with my head cut off trying to help get everything set up. So they were nice enough to hold one for me, and I picked it up, and I'm very happy with this. This is incredible. I really like the future of GreenLight and where it's going, because I know they're trying to compete with Mini GT, and I think they're doing a fantastic job. I would like to see some tampos or different colors on the interior other than just a plain black interior. That might have just been the design request of this car, so we shall see. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Hey, thanks for making it to the end of this video. You can subscribe by clicking on the Vipers in the bottom right corner. See my most current video in the top right corner. The 2 videos on the left are based on your interest in this video. And make sure to leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe for more content. And as always, happy hunting.